Hello there. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to show you a portfolio I created using just HTML and CSS. It's simple, clean, and fully responsive. Here is the portfolio. It has two main sections, the right and left sections. The right section includes my name, profile picture, my profile, and contact information, languages, and areas of expertise. On the left section, where I've shared my story, education, professional experience, and what can I do for you. If you like this design, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials on web development. Thank you for watching.